Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is uncanny. It is pronounced un-can-e and is spelt U-N-C-A-N-N-Y. Before we get to today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Uncanny is an adjective that means strange or mysterious, especially in an unsettling way. It is often used to describe things that are unusual, inexplicable, or seemingly supernatural. For example, you could say, "The silence in the old house was uncanny," or "The resemblance between the twins was uncanny." The word uncanny comes from the Old English word uncanny, which means not known or strange. In the film Coraline, the other mother is an uncanny figure who looks like Coraline's real mother but has buttons for eyes. Her strange appearance and behavior make her a mysterious and unsettling character. Synonyms for uncanny include eerie, strange, mysterious, weird, and unsettling. Antonyms for uncanny include ordinary, normal, familiar, and commonplace. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, uncanny. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.